With over 3,500 square feet of living space on over an acre, 250 Mataya Drive feels like country living while just minutes from the city.
Let's check out this 5-bedroom home.
In the great room, there is so much to talk about, like the bright dining area, the living room with propane fireplace, and the fabulous kitchen,
which offers granite countertops, plentiful workspace, and the large island with a breakfast bar.
This area also features custom built-ins and doors to the large back deck.
This level also has a powder room and a large mudroom with further built-ins and access to the 3-bay garage.
Let's head upstairs,
where you'll find a large landing leading to the home's main bathroom with laundry, 3 bedrooms, and an office.
The spacious primary bedroom has its own dressing room with more built-ins,
and an ensuite bathroom with a double vanity, soaker tub, and a towel warmer.
Downstairs you'll find another full bathroom, 2 bedrooms, and a large rec area.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 250 Mataya Drive,
visit frederictonhomes.com.